to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a haul. It's the holiday season and my birthday just passed as well, so I got some stuff I wanted to show y'all that I got because I'm excited about it. And also I'm excited because in this video I'm going to be doing my first kind of try on haul thing, and I've never done a try on haul on my channel. This is not really a try on haul. I only got a couple of things, but I'm going to be trying them on, which is exciting. I'll start with the makeup. So starting with my makeup haul portion, I'm so excited. I got the Fenty Diamond Bomb set thing, and this is the Diamond Bomb highlighter, and then this is the Diamond Milk lip gloss. I got these for my birthday, which was last month, November. I love it. It is just so amazing. My fiance bought me this for my birthday and I literally am obsessed. And I'm not really into like cool tones and stuff like that, but this stuff is just so popping that I just enjoy it. I don't know why. I'm usually into golds and stuff, not like silvers and stuff like that. But this, I had to have it for some reason. I had to have it. So the next few products are all NYX products, and I really have been like growing to love NYX a lot more and more lately. The first thing is this Honey Do Me Up primer, and I did use this in my last makeup video, and this is something I got for my birthday as well. I love this stuff. It makes my, I used it today under this makeup. It just makes my makeup just, I don't know, like I used to use other primers that say they make you shiny and glow, and that you put them on your skin and they look really pretty, but once you put your foundation over it, you can't see it anymore. It like covers it up. But this is the one product that once I put my foundation over it, I still see it like shining through, and I really like that. Plus it's cool because it looks so pretty, just the packaging alone, and then it's like actually honey. And I also feel like it kind of moisturizes my skin. I don't know if it does, but it makes me feel like it is. So I don't know, but I really like this. Since I got this, it's been like the only thing I've been using. So the next thing I got is this NYX full coverage concealer, and I've been seeing this for years and I always wanted it. Even when I was in high school, I used to see these in the beauty supply store for like $5, and I'm like, oh, that looks like a cool concealer, but I never got it because I really wasn't that into makeup. But I like it. I don't know, I really haven't given it a chance yet. I'm gonna try it more. I just used it underneath my eyebrows so far. I do want to try it underneath my eyes, but I don't know, it kind of scares me to put a cream under my eye because I feel like it's gonna crease. So I don't know, I might try it, but I got it. I use it for my eyebrows and I do like it for my eyebrows so far. Next is the Nyx Matte Bronzer. I really like this stuff, and the color is like perfect. Like for me, it's a perfect color. This is what I have on today, and I don't know, like this is like the one of these bronzers that the moment I seen it, I was like, this is like for me. Like this is my bronzer. This is gonna be the bronzer I'll be grabbing like until I run out. This is gonna be like the thing I use. Even the packaging is so sleek and like simple. Then you open it and it's just, that's my bronzer. So the next two things I got by NYX, and the last two things I got by NYX are the NYX liquid liners. I got the black and the white one. Let me take the black one out the packaging, and they look exactly the same. I really like them, and one thing I love about these liners is that they're very, the felt tip is very, it's not even felt, this is actually like the brush, like the brush is very thin, so it's gonna give you a really like pointy wing liner. I haven't been into wing liner lately, and I used to be only into wing liner. Like if I did a look this dramatic, it would have to have a wing. I don't have a wing on here, but I want to get back into wearing my wing, and I got the white one because I seen Cardi B on Instagram and she had a makeup look that had white dots, and I was like, oh my god, I want to try that. That looks so nice. I feel like that is so popping, so that's why I bought this. And then I got the black one because I was watching Aaliyah J's video and this is what she used, and I was like, dang, her wing's sharp. And then she said this is what she used, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna get that. So boom, I got both of them now. So the next thing is from Ross. I think this is from Ross. Yes, this is from Ross. I was shopping at Ross for someone else's Christmas gift, and I came across this, and I was like, I don't know, like at first I thought it looked a little bit cheesy. Oh, and it's also by Profusion, and if you shop at Ross or TJ Maxx and stuff like that, y'all know that they have these little, like Profusion is just like a brand that's always there. So yeah, it says contour. It's actually really nice. Like this packaging looks cheesy, but it's actually really nice quality in person. And I was like, this looks really nice. It doesn't look cheap like the rest of them that usually come in this brand. And the brushes are actually really soft. And there's a nice mirror. And all of these shades in here are like perfect for me. So I was like, I'm getting this. And the powders are super soft. Like I haven't actually used them yet, but I really just thought this was nice. And it was only $7.99, so I was like, whatever, like that's cheap, like I want this, so I got it. The next thing I got is from Sally's Beauty. I actually didn't purchase this. My fiance brought this to me. It would match my shirt and my lips. But my fiance brought this to me. She has a membership at Sally's because she is a barber and a loctician, so she does like hair a lot. She's always purchasing from them. So I guess because she buys from them so often and it's the holiday season, they gave her this free makeup thing. And it's not a sample at all, because usually they give you a free sample, but this is a whole thing. So I guess it's more so like a gift because of how often she purchases from Sally. But of course she gave it to me because Courtney does not wear makeup and I do. So keeping it going with the cheap makeup trend, I went to I would say my local beauty supply, but it's not local. It's all the way up on the north side of Chicago and I live on the south side of Chicago. So not local, but it's in Chicago. This beauty supply store has a beautiful makeup section. Like, they have a huge NYX section in the makeup store. They have a bunch of other like off-brand makeup, but it's really affordable and it's really good quality. Like, actually the eyeshadow palette I'm about to show you, I used that. It was $4.99. Actually, let me just show y'all. This eyeshadow palette is the next thing I was about to mention to y'all. It was $4.99 at the beauty supply store near my job, and I used this whole entire makeup look I have on right here was done with just this beauty, this little palette. And so another thing I got from the beauty supply store also with that eyeshadow was 2 other eyeshadow palettes, and they look like this. One is very colorful and one is just neutral pinky colors, and these were $1.99 each. $1.99 for this eyeshadow palette and $1.99 for this eyeshadow palette. And I wait to use them. I hope they work well. When I swatched them today, I got them because I was so excited. The swatch was beautiful, so I hope it really is like that when I use them. But you guys will see, because I'm gonna do it for the first time on here because that's just what I'm gonna do. And I don't know if I kind of went over it fast, but this was a part of the haul. That's the lashes I have on right here by the brand Miss 3D Volume Lash, and $3.99 for these lashes. I got these in Pennsylvania on my birthday trip to Philadelphia. So I got some lashes, and I got these off of eBay. And a lot of people don't trust eBay. I realized I've been using eBay since I was in high school, and I really like eBay. They've never done me dirty, so I don't know why a lot of people don't like eBay. People usually just hover over to like Amazon, but I got these from eBay, and these are only $4 something. Like, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below where I got these. These lashes were $4 something each. I think they were like, I'm gonna just say $4, no more than $5 each. No more than $5 for these. I know it's only $4 something, and these are beautiful lashes. And also, same thing, not the same brand, different brand, but still on eBay, and also like very inexpensive, like cheap, no more than $5. These lashes also, these are so pretty. This is the people. I will list these in the description box below too. But yeah, the last makeup product is the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray. It's the Stay All Day setting spray, and the crazy thing about this is I got this from Forever 21. I went to Rosemont Mall in Illinois. I don't know if it's in Chicago. I think it might be on the outskirts of Chicago, so I'll just say Illinois. But and I found this at Forever 21. It was only $16 and everything in the store was 30% off. And I was like, what? I used it today. Can you tell? It's popping. I could tell. Don't get me wrong. I have NYX setting spray, some random setting spray from TJ Maxx, and they work very well. But this one, outstanding difference. Like, my face looks okay. Like, this is popping. When I saw this, I was like, I have to get this. Like, it's one of them things where you get like an upgrade, and this is an upgrade for me. So moving on to skincare stuff that I bought. Let's go. The first thing is this Mario Badescu. I don't even ever know if I'm saying that man's name right, even if I don't know who this person is. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But the glycolic foaming cleanser, I got the small one because I was at Nordstrom Rack, and y'all know Nordstrom Rack has the little small section where you they got the little beauty supplies, small little sections, and this was there. And I already used the Mario Badescu spray on my face every morning and every night, and I love it, and it makes a big difference in my skincare routine. So I was like, ooh, let me try this out. And plus I have dry skin, so this says that it gets rid of the dead skin cell buildup, and it has glycolic whatever in it, so it sounds like it's gonna do wonders. And I already know this brand is amazing, so I can't wait to use it. And this was $8. I got 2 charcoal pore masks from Nordstrom Rack as well. These were in the same section. These were $1.97 each. I can't wait to use them. They are the little face masks that you just set around your face. You know what I'm talking about, right? Those. I can't wait to use them. And they got charcoal, and then charcoal supposedly gets like pulls out a bunch of stuff, and I love masks. I'm like a mask person. I love it, so I cannot wait to use these. I'm actually probably gonna use them tonight because tomorrow is Christmas and I just want to look good, so this gonna make me look popping. And I got 2 of these, one for me and one for Courtney. If Courtney take too long to use it, it's gonna both be for me, because Courtney will know we have masks and never do it unless I force her, so I might have 2 masks. And I have another mask which is just for me, and this is a 3-step mask, which is really exciting. They have the actual mask in here, and then step 2 is like some type of liquid or oil. Step 3 is some type of liquid or oil, but I'm excited because multiple steps means my skin is gonna be popping, so I can't wait to use this. And this was $2.97. So the last thing I got as far as like mask and facey stuff like that is these Dark Circles No More's hydro gel under eye mask. And I got these because a girl got dark circles. Like, I do have dark circles, and it don't matter how much sleep I got, they don't go away. So I'm feeling like that's just who I is, but they're not too terrible. Like, people tell me they can't even see them, but I see them. Oh yeah, but I got these, and I wore them today. Actually, I was really excited about them, and I like the way they feel, but I didn't see anything instant, so we'll see what happens. I have 5 more pairs, and if I don't see anything happen, I really won't care anyway. But I thought it was a nice little pamper thing to have because I love to pamper myself. I also got 2 things of makeup wipes, which these are the makeup wipes I prefer. Of course, the Neutrogena makeup wipes. These are the best ones in the world. I can use one of these wipes and get off my whole entire cake face. Like this look I have on right now, one of these wipes will take off the entire look forever and always for years to come. Unless something is better, I will always use these. But I also got these because before I ran into these in the mall, so I just got something quick. And you know, you think you find these at Walgreens, and I didn't think I was going to be able to. So I got these. I don't mind having these because I have the micellar water, and the micellar water is just like the liquid version of this without a wipe. So with having the micellar water, I just put it on these little cheap ones, and it does the same exact thing as this because the micellar water is so good at removing makeup. So take the micellar water, put it on your cheap makeup wipe. It'll do the same exact thing as the Neutrogena wipe, which I can have these too. So either way, it works for me. So that's everything as far as my beauty stuff. Now we can move on to the clothes I got. I don't have many clothes. I didn't get many stuff. I'm just showing a little bit of stuff I did get. This shirt is actually one of the things that I did get. I really like this shirt. I got it from Target. It was not on sale. I was about to say it was on sale, but the other shirts I got from Target were on sale. I got this shirt. It was $16, and I saw this because I was watching Kyra Stewart, and she had a shirt on just like this. Like, it's like a little shirt that has a little knot, and she was doing like a haul video, and I was like, oh, that's super cute. And the same day I went to Target for something, I saw this shirt that looked just like it, and I was like, oh, I'm getting that. And it was only $16, and I like it. It's cute, and I got a little bralette underneath it, which is cute. And it's like, you can unbutton it too, so I can make it like off the shoulder and stuff if I want to. Make it a little bit more slouchy. And it's super comfy. It's thick. Look at this. It's thick. You know what I'm saying? The next fashion piece I got is this yellow crop top sweater. I love it. I think it's so cute. It's so cute. I wore it yesterday and I love the way it looks. Oh my god. Yeah, this is my favorite thing. And it's funny because I was on Instagram and I seen some of the beauty influencers. I seen them on Instagram with the Fashion Nova crop top sweaters and stuff. And I was like, oh, that makes me want a crop top sweater so much. And then I went into Target and I found 2. I got a red one as well. And these are all by the brand Wild Fable, and these were on sale. These are the 2 sweaters I said earlier that were on sale. These were on sale for $7.50. I don't know why they were on sale though, because it is wintertime right now and these are sweaters, and then they like super cute sweaters, like a crop top sweater. I don't know why they were on sale because they're in season. I feel like they're in season, so I don't get why they would be in sale. I don't care. It was a blessing for me. They were $7.50 each. That is $15, you know. The next thing is this jacket right here. This jacket is popping. I love this jacket. And it's $19, and everything in the store was, see right here, $19. And everything in the store was 30% off. So I got this for like $13 or something. I don't know the math, but I got this for like $13 or something, so I'm excited. And it's in the 2X, and I don't wear no 2X. I wear like a large in women's, but I got this in the 2X because one, it definitely runs small because this fits me like a 1X. I got it in a bigger size anyway because I wanted to layer it because this is a thinner jacket. This is a thick, thin jacket. Like, I don't know how to explain. Like, the fabric is thick, but the jacket is not inflated. So it's a thick, thin jacket, and I'm really excited about it because I know it's a jacket that I can't wear by itself when it's cold, but if I layer it right, this could be a winter jacket if I made it. Then I had to jump on the bandwagon with the book bags. These are so cute to me. Like, first of all, I have since I can remember growing up and starting to carry bags, I always hated that trend of just we having to hold our bags like over our arm or have to walk around like this. I hated it. It always irritated me. So just the trend of book bags, like I could have worn a book bag, but I just was like, women wear purses, whatever. Like I'm just gonna wear a purse. Like, but now that the book bag trend has come, I am so happy. I love book bags. They're so easy. This one, first of all, this one is cute as hell. It's super sturdy. You would think something like this was from like Urban Outfitters, like the build of it, the sturdiness, the quality, the design, like everything. I would think this was from Urban Outfitters, and it was from Target. And guess how much I paid? It was on sale for $12.50 from Target. And I got one more book bag. I love this one. This one is super fluffy. And this one is from, I got this from, this is not from Target. This is from Ross. And this one was $17.99 from Ross. So, you know, you can't really you might not be able to go get this from Ross because Ross is just a bunch of miscellaneous products. So nothing that I get, you can really get. The brand is Kiss Me Couture. So that's everything, guys. I just wanted to share the things I got with you. I don't know, when I go shopping, I get excited. And also, when I see people haul their stuff, it makes me want to like go shopping. It's like motivated. I don't know, it makes you want to do stuff, get into makeup, and when you buy stuff, it makes you want to use it, which makes you want to do stuff. I don't know, I ain't even gonna lie, I've been like buying all this stuff and hoarding it, but I'm gonna use it now. I'm gonna use these eyeshadows with y'all. I'm gonna use these lashes with y'all. Big lashes have been like, I've been getting more comfortable, so I'm excited to branch out and use some of these. I don't know, I just wanted to get some new stuff and show you guys what I got, so I did, and that is what it is. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for this makeup look that's coming up. That's going to be my very next video. And also stay tuned for my lock update, because I'm going to update you on what's going on with my hair. And even if you don't have locks, just find out about locks. Come and sit and talk and chat, and I'll tell you guys what's going on with my hair, because some things are changing and some things haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video.